Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be honest. What's up guys, Film Techniques here, and today I will be teaching you guys the gunshot effect as you saw in the start. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is the video of me shooting. Okay, and this is the pre-keyed effect that we're going to use. Like, I've got 3, as we need 3, and we can just resize it later. And this is the gunshot effect. Sound. We got 3 of that too. Okay, so first of all, let's find the first shot. So that's about there. So we can take our pre-keyed effect and put it on top. Where's the other shot? I guess we can shorten that because we don't need it that long. Second shot's about there. About there. Also shorten that. And that's the third shot. So we can put that there too. So move this a bit. Okay. So this is what we have. It's not done because it's in the way. So now we have to go to this effect area, the effects, and you go to just search button, click on all, and search keyer. You get the keyer effect, and you put it on top of that. So this is what we'll have, which is not done yet. First of all, we need to put keyer in all of them. There we go. So this is what we have. So that's not really done. So now we go on the clip, like that, and we click on the clip, and we go to transform. And now you transform the gunshot, and you can even just put it on the other side as it's going to be there. And we can adjust it over there. And after you're done, you can see the black square around the shot, which we don't want. So then you can click on this clip, and you go to the composition effect. You click on normal and change it to add, and now you see the box is gone. So this is what we have. It's pretty good. Maybe we can just move it a bit down there. Yeah, okay. That's what we have, which is pretty good. Now we need to do that to the second one too. Go and transform. This one is already fine. Just put it there. Just place it. Just rotate it and just perfectly place it. So what we have. And now again, the thing has a box. So you go to normal, click on add, and the box is gone. So this is what we have. It's pretty good. And now the last one. So go on the first start of the clip, click on the clip, transform, shorten it. We have to flip this thing again, and probably rotate it a bit. We'll see there. So put it up there and rotate it among how much. Okay, we don't need to rotate it that much. And now just put it exactly there and click done. So this is what we have. Again, we have the black circle, so you click on it, click on normal, click on add. And this is what we have. I guess this is not exactly put in, so. Oops. we need to transform and move this thing again. There, done. So this is what we have. There we go. So after we're done putting the effects, then you can delete these two and take the music, like the gunshot. And we have to place it under all of them. Just like that. Just adjust that one. Just adjust all of them. So this is what we have. That's pretty good. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out.